bubblies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a mani tutorial review. So today I have created shop 144, and as you guys can see, it's a beautiful plate. Now I already played with this plate, I'm not going to deny it because I even stamped my nails. Actually, I really like the plate, especially this right here, the sunflowers. I think I actually got this plate especially because of the sunflowers. But definitely you got more image that you're gonna love. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I will leave all the information where you guys can find them here in the United States. So let me just show you. I already have my nails almost completely done. So I'll show you how I created this. Let me show you up close. And I also stamped some of that on this other hand, but I didn't like it as much as I did on this hand. If you're wondering what I have on my nails, is this magnetic Missouri polish. So that's what I have. As you guys can see the cat eye on my polish. So, and then I started using some white stamping polish. And I'm gonna put right here. Probably didn't need a lot. Hold on. And then I'm gonna scrape. And then I need a clear stamper for sure. You guys can see it pick up perfectly. So I'm gonna start from the bottom. So you decide what part of the design you want on your nail. So there you go. And then I'm gonna use this other color. Just doing like a double stamping, which is this right here. It's like a copper, I guess. Metallic. Now you have to go and layer on top of the what you already stamped on white. And that's how I created my mani, and I think it looks really pretty. So I just have to top coat, but just wanted to show you guys, and I'll leave some pictures at the end of the video. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be using some pop sticks, and I'll be back at the end of the video to talk to you guys. So I'm done, and I definitely recommend this plate. It stamps really good. You just have to make sure you have enough polish, because these images need more polish, stamping polish than usual. And make sure, like, I was actually giving it a couple of seconds before I actually stamp it on the nail, on the pop stick. Otherwise, you're probably gonna end up with a smush image, and you don't want that. That's the only thing I would recommend with this kind of plates. The edging is really good. I mean, all I can tell you, Creative Shop has some bomb stamping plates. I really like them. Their images are really unique. So again, definitely recommend them, you guys. So that's it for this video. I will leave some pictures, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, my lovelies.